With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
That question is from current electricity related to potentiometer. A potentiometer PQ is set up to compare resistance as shown in the figure. The ammeter A in the circuit reads 1 ampere when two-way key K3 is open. The balance length is L1 centimeter from P when two-way key K3 is plugged between 2 and 1. So when we plug K3 between 2 and 1, the balance length is L1. While the balance length is L2 centimeter when we plug K3 between 0.3 and 1. Okay, so in that condition, balance length is L2. Then we have to find the ratio of R1 and R2 in form of length L1 and L2. Okay, so as we know that the potentiometer is work on non-deflection condition. So when we plug between 0.1 and 2, only potential drop on R1 will be equal to potential drop on the wire PQ between point P and balance length. In starting, the length is L1, and as we know that the potential drop will be proportional to balance length, so we can use that relation V1 is equal to X L1. Here X is a potential gradient and that is a constant value, so that is our first relation. Now when we plug between 0.1 and 3, okay, so in that condition resistance R1 and R2 will be in series and the potential drop in R1 and R2 will be equal to potential drop on point P in between point P and the balance length, and the balance length in second condition is L2, so we can use the relation V2 is equal to X L2. Okay, and the current in the circuit is I, so V1 will be equal to I R1 and V2 will be equal to I R1 plus R2. Okay, so we can place that value in equation 1 and 2. So we will find I R1 is equal to XL1 and I R1 plus R2 is equal to XL2. Okay, so ratio of this equation we will find R1 upon R1 plus R2 is equal to L1 upon L2, or we can say R1 plus R2 upon R1 is equal to L2 upon L1, and we can find the value of R1 upon R2 from that relation. 1 plus R2 upon R1 is equal to L2 upon L1, means R2 upon R1 is equal to L2 upon L1 minus 1, means L2 minus L1 upon L1, means R1 upon R2 will be equal to L1 upon L2 minus L1. Okay, so now see the options. The option 4 is representing correct relation, so R1 upon R2 will be equal to L1 upon L2 minus L1. Okay,
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.